But you who attach yourselves to Adonai your God are alive today, every one of you. Deuteronomy 4, Introduction. The power of a change story. Shalom, brothers and sisters. Today I want to speak to those who feel like their past has written their future. Maybe you've been told that your pain defines you, that your trauma is your name, that your suffering is the only thing you will ever know. But Yeshua, because of you, abuse, I was afraid. Because of you, rejection, I was unworthy. Because of you, sin, I was bound in chains. But Yeshua flipped the script. Point 1. What the enemy meant for evil, God uses for good. Genesis 50:20 reminds us, you intended to harm me, but God intended it for good, to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives. In the music video, we see a woman running from her past, from her pain, from herself. She drowns it in addiction. She numbs it with sin, but she cannot outrun the one who chases after her soul. Some of you feel like you've lost control, like the storms of life have thrown you into a ditch, left you stranded. But Yeshua meets us in the wreckage. He doesn't wait for us to clean up. He steps into the dirt, the chaos, the pain, and calls us home. Point 2. The breaking point is the turning point. The woman in the story crashes, and that's where she sees the light. Some of you have hit rock bottom, but I want you to know that the lowest place is still in God's hands. David said in Psalm 139, verse 8, "If I make my bed in the depths, you are there." The enemy thought he had you. He thought your past would keep you captive. But your breaking point is about to be your breakthrough. Your storm is about to be your song. Your chains are about to be shattered in the name of Yeshua. Point 3. Yeshua doesn't just heal, he transforms. This woman didn't just survive, she was reborn. She walked into that church the same way she walked through life, hesitant, afraid, expecting rejection, but instead she found welcome. She found grace. She found Yeshua. Ezekiel 36:26 says, "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh." Because of Yeshua, she became a daughter instead of an orphan. Because of Yeshua, she became free instead of bound. Because of Yeshua, she became whole instead of broken. And so can you. Conclusion, it's time to walk in your redemption. What the enemy meant to destroy you, Yeshua is using to build you. What was once your shame will become your testimony. Your life is not over. It is just beginning. Today I declare you are not what happened to you. You are not what was spoken over you. You are not your failure, your sin, your scars. You are a child of the Most High. Because of Yeshua, you are free. Who is ready to claim that today? Who is ready to lay down the chains and pick up their crown?
Because of you, I learned to fight. Had to toughen up just to survive the night. Every word, every scar left me lost with a heavy heart. Because of you, I walked alone, built my world out of sticks and stone. Didn't trust, didn't dream, felt like love weren't meant for me. But in the silence I heard his call, a voice that tore through the wrecking ball, said, "Child, you ain't too far gone. Come on home where you belong." Because of you I was bound in chains, but Yeshua broke them, now I'm changed. What once was pain is now a song. What tried to kill me made me strong. Because of you, I lived in fear, hid my soul behind whiskey and tears. Thought I'd always be that way, till Yeshua came and called my name. Because of him, I stand in light. He took my wrongs and made them right. Took my sorrow, took my shame, turned my trials into praise. No more running and no more lies. I see the truth in his eyes. What you meant to break and steal, he has used to make me turned into his arms. I was lost, but now I'm free. His love rewrote my destiny. Because of him, I'm not the same. He took my sorrow, took my shame. No more fear, no more chains. Because of you.